In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Photos default on iPhone. So if you want all of your photos to be backed up to Google Photos, not iCloud, this will help. So first, you need to head into settings on your phone. So go to settings, and then once you're in settings, you want to then click on your name. So once you're in settings, click on your name. Mine is Bradley Harrison. Then go to iCloud. Now iCloud will back up the first 5 gigabytes. But what we're going to do, we're going to click on iCloud. We're going to go to Photos, and we're going to turn that off. This is going to stop syncing of photos to iCloud. If it's full anyway, it wouldn't be syncing anyway, but we're just going to turn it off to make sure. Now let's make sure that they're syncing on Google Photos. So now go ahead and open up Google Photos. So you need the Google Photos app. Once you're inside of the app, go to your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. Once you've done that, go ahead and then click Google Photos Settings. Then it should say backup, and it's going to then tell you an email address it's backing up to. You've not done yet though, click on backup, make sure that the backup has been enabled, and that way it's going to back up your original photos. Now you can go ahead and choose the backup quality as well. If you click on that, you can choose to storage, saver, or original quality to save more space. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.